The Belief, presented by Ulysses Toribio. Hello, on this occasion I will be talking about belief, specifically the belief that I have as a human being. What is believing? Since I was little, my parents have instilled in me a love for the Catholic religion, where they believe in one God, creator of the universe and all humanity. For me, believing in God is trusting that I will never be alone and that if something goes wrong, that He will be with me and give me the strength to continue. I believe that believing in something is extremely important because there is hope, which strengthens everyone's heart. For example, whenever I have an exam in addition to studying, I put my studies in God's hands, and there I am certain that everything will be fine. I also believe in the Virgin of Altagracia, since she is the protector of all our people and she will never abandon us. Thank you.